Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing you an unboxing for week 7 and unfortunately or obviously I don't have a box logo. I just have a couple of other items and a box with some things in it, you know. But yeah, I didn't get a box logo, I didn't. So I tried to pick one up afterwards, but the prices are just, I mean, they're cheap in terms of box logo prices, like box logo tee prices, they're really cheap, but I'm not really looking to pay 200 or 250 pounds for the one that I'm after, to be honest. So I might end up picking up like a red on white in large, or just a white one in large, just because the prices are pretty decent and, you know, it's a bit Christmassy, white and red, so yeah, you never know. But as per norm, let me know down below whether your items have arrived from last week, whether or not you're able to pick up a box logo or a beanie or something else in the end, and whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling what you picked up. But yeah, let's get straight into this pretty much because there isn't a lot to say. Okay, so obviously we have a couple of different things. Two things I picked up as of restocks or as restocks. Obviously I mentioned that on my Thursday live cop that I was able to get some items as restocks, and one of the other things is actually what a family member ordered from the 40s week. 40s week? Yeah, I think it's the 40s week. The other thing is just something I grabbed off of Facebook, which is this, which was cheap at the end of the day and I was in need of. So we're going to kick things off probably with the largest and then move on to the easiest pieces because, yeah. Okay, so this was on Facebook. Basically, I went onto Facebook, saw this, messaged the person, I said I'll take them, and that was it. It's cheap as anything. It's probably quite stupid to some people, I think, at the end of the day, or they might see it as stupid in the end. But personally, for me, it's quite useful. Right, just getting all the tape out of the way. So, what is in here, or what's in here, it cost me £5 in the end, is the way to put it. So they're basically Supreme bags and a couple of Palace bags. Now you're probably thinking, well, why would you do that? In short, someone said pay shipping and these are yours. So here we are at the end of the day. Yeah, basically I've been shipping out a lot of my Supreme bags that they used to give out in orders, obviously, and I've been using them for my eBay orders and things that I sell. I've always just been putting things into bags, and slowly my stack that was like that of like 70 or so bags has been going down over the last like 6 or 7 months, and I'm now down to like 15 or so, maybe even less than that I've got spare, which isn't great because that's not a lot. So in short, this is 43 or 44 bags, which range from the small to largest, and yeah, it's just great to top me up with. Also, there's this Palace bag that I thought was quite cool as well that they threw in, so yeah, there's that. I think it's a cool bag. They gave me a couple of box logo stickers as well, which is always handy. I'm nearly, I think, at like one of the stacks of 100 of them soon enough, but yeah, there's not really anything to say. As you can see, it's just a load of bags, and that's it, just a ton of them. We've got some of the large ones as well, which is great because I've actually used a couple of mine to send things out. So yeah, that's it. You might see it as stupid, but for me personally, they are extremely handy and useful, and to just pay the shipping to get one, or not even to get one, to get a lot of them, is extremely helpful and handy. So yeah, now we move on to the packages and items that people, well, that a family member ordered one of and I ordered 2 of. So yeah, let's start off with theirs, which is this one. And I'm just hoping for Smurf stickers in the end. That's it, Smurf stickers, please. Like, just so simple, just a couple of them, job done. You know, 1 or 2 out of all of these, be amazing, absolutely amazing. So please, Smurf sticker. Oh, and also they picked this up just for themselves as a tee, so yeah. Okay, there are stickers, no sticker pack. You tell me. Yes, let's go. Oh, that's good, that's cool, we got one. Yes, okay, nice, there's one. If we could get the purple or the blue, I think of the other colours, I'd be happy. There's another basic, and there's the pills sticker, which is quite fitting because, once I pull this out, they picked up the pills tee for themselves in grey small. So yeah, they're going to be wearing that at some point. But yeah, I just noticed that a couple of the pills actually say Supreme on them, which I didn't see before, but yeah, there you go. But yeah, I didn't pick up any of the tees, obviously. I did like the sun tee, but I also like the sun pin. But I didn't get the sun pin in the end, unfortunately, and people want like 15 or 20 pounds for it now, which I get it probably cost 11 pounds to ship, but if you double carted, not really, it'd just be 6 pounds by itself. But yeah, I'd like to pay like 10 pounds for one if people didn't single cart. But yeah, item number one. So let's move on to the second one, which is one of mine, which is obviously one of the restocks. And just shake it down. I'd probably just tear this, to be honest. Oh yeah, quite easily. Oh wow. Reuse a bag. No, I have a ton of the UPS bags, so yeah, I wouldn't need to do that. Right, I'm hopeful. I am so hopeful. What is this? Oh, I get what that is now. Okay, there are two here. Please. Oh no. Okay, that's fine. So is this bag ripped or what? No, it's just like that, okay. So I thought there was something weird in the bag when I was feeling it, and it's actually the like tag for the beanie. But yeah, this is the big logo beanie in the blue colorway, or you know, blue plaid colorway, whichever you want to call it. They restocked thanks to the monitors in the group that I'm in, that I've mentioned a couple of times. And yeah, I just went for it. I was talking to everyone. I said, oh, beanie restocked. And yeah, I literally at that point just straight up went for it, just like that, like yeah, it was that easy. And obviously at the same time, I also went for this one, which is the other beanie, obviously. I don't know why the bags are different. These look like older bags, whereas that bag looks like a new version. But yeah, to be honest, I like grabbing some beanies, and at some points you can always just get retail back for them if you don't want to keep them, so yeah. Okay. This time. So I don't get one, but a family member gets one out of that. And there's a tag again. Okay, well, we got one Smurf sticker. We got 0 full T stickers in the end. Maybe because I ordered this like a day or two after the drop, they might not like that, but yeah. This is obviously another big logo beanie, being the orange colorway or bright orange colorway, and yeah, that's about it for that as well. There's nothing else to say, but I was going to say that obviously, you know, the blue one is a bit more Christmassy, same for the red one that they have, it's a bit more Christmassy. This is obviously a bit more Halloween type, so I might end up just getting rid of this one. And I was saying that obviously you can always just get retail back for things like this, so if you don't end up wanting it and you just wanted the stickers, like I did, then you can always get retail back and not get any stickers with it whatsoever. None. None at all. Absolutely none. See, I get that this is a full tee, so you give them a full sticker and one of the other ones, but these are the beanies from the exact same week, and I just wanted one more sticker, but instead we get box logo stickers for days and days and days. Oh well, that's going to cover this video anyway, so thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, did you get any stickers with your orders? I really did want like at least 2 of these so that I could then maybe start, or like have got halfway towards like a full set. It would have been nice. I would have liked the full set, to be honest. But I'll take red. I've got the red deck, now I've got the red sticker. And yeah, that is about it. So thank you for watching. Other than that, I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you for either a drop list on Tuesday, well, tomorrow being Tuesday, or a drop list on Wednesday. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you all next time. Peace.